At the end of the last section, I had a bunch of junk on the screen. It's really nice to be able to clean this up, and there are a couple of ways to do it. One is just to type clear at the command line, like that. Another way is Control L. This is the one that I use most often. And sometimes when you're done with the terminal window, you just want to close it, and the way to do that is with exit. So actually, let me open up a new tab. I can type exit like that. And another way to close a terminal is with Control D. So I could do this, Control D, and indeed I could close this terminal window with Control D, and this will actually close iTerm because it's my last window. The regular terminal acts differently. That was Control L there to clear. And if I close this, it does something a little different, but you can use your technical sophistication to figure out what to do. In this case, you can just close it like that, or you can quit like that.